Catch that big fish. Wow. This one is not small. It must weigh 2 or 3 pounds. There are so many lobsters and whelks. Let's grill them all. Minja! Minja! Come here quickly! Our salted mackerel seems to have been eaten by something. It must be a dog or a wild cat that did it. Can we still eat it? No. Use it as bait. Such a big fish. Ruined by a single bite from your dragon's mouth. It's really a pity. I'll wrap it up. The fish tail and head we had earlier. We'll keep some to use as bait. The rest of the fish meat, we'll put it in this fish trap. Brother, you handle where to move that fish head, and I'll take care of pushing this fish head and tail over to me. I placed this fish head and tail in the field. Manager, preparing these goods will still take some time, so let's head back first. As the weather has gradually turned cold recently, with wind and rain becoming normal, building a shelter has become our most important task. First, we draw on the mortise and tenon structure, carving grooves in the logs for joining, and then use nails to secure it, constructing the overall frame of the shelter. Hey, Giesbingza, where did you get that car? It's snowing at my place, and it's inconvenient to pick up the kids every day. I'm planning to get one. Sure, it's not too expensive. Your car doesn't have much. I'll download one to check it out in a bit too. Good! Let's go to that discount pond first and see if there's any stock. Wow! So many lobsters! We've hit the jackpot today. Let's pour them out first. Go! Trying to escape! Shaoli, quickly bring the basket. Wow, so many lobsters. Quickly gather them. Let's go check the big nest's water pit, see if there's any catch. Shaoli, hurry up! The tide is about to rise. Catch that big fish. Wow. This one is not small. It must weigh 2 or 3 pounds. Wow. Wow! Minja! Such a big coconut worm. It's really not small. Put it first. There's still a lobster down there. Brothers! Today's harvest isn't bad. Let's take it all back. Manager! Today's harvest is really abundant. Let's roast it first. Oh gosh. Let's gather up this remaining octopus and make a dish with it. Shaoli, come quickly. The coconut snails are already grilled. I'll have a small lobster first. I've been wanting to eat this big lobster for a while. So are you going to catch and eat it? I'll start with a coconut snail. Wow! Wow, is this shell so tender? The flavor of beef and lamb is quite fresh. Ah! What kind of stone is this? Here is a diamond. After finishing, use it to prop up the shelter door.